Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sure everyone is on low energy. I'm standing between your lunch. So give me precisely 10 minutes to talk about the overall portfolio of the organization and what we present in Microsoft Surface as on today. We have a booth outside where we can demonstrate to you a lot of the AI practices which can be done for your organization. Like the gentleman has told, they have already adopted digital transformation and AI also. It can help actually ease your activities, day-to-day activities, and help you understand the overall momentum and the growth path a little faster compared to what we do on an Excel sheet or doing it on some CRM as of today. So I'll go through the presentation. I'll just briefly touch upon what Dixit does for their living. So we are a 47-year-old organization working in IT sector and services. We employ approximately 800 plus employees, out of which around 500 plus people are from technology. We are ISO certified 9001, 20001 and 21000, and we are fully ready for any customer to engage with us from the managed services perspective. 1,500 clients on a regular basis from last 5 years. We work with 25 global brands, which includes Apple, Microsoft, HP, and many more. And we have a pan-India coverage in terms of sales and services. We have 41 locations where we have our own service centers where we can provide next business day support or 4 hours response to any customer on site. We have a remote desk which is available in Mumbai, which can help any customer to address their L1, L2, and L3 queries on 15 minutes. And finally, proud to say that in last 10 years, actually, we have a hit ratio of 98% where we have service renewals. Now, just coming to our service offerings, we try and see how we can actually give all our customers a subscription-based model in terms of all their IT consumptions, starting with device as a service where we can provide endpoints like laptop, desktop, tablets, phones to customers, printing through managed print services. And also while we look at the data center products like server, storage, networking, Wi-Fi as a service through HP GreenLake. Also the one-time services which are also very critical because every branch or office location is as large as your big ones. So you will not be able to have resident IT supports available there. That is when actually this on-call support at branches and locations which are remote becomes very, very important. And we will be able to roll out new branches for you, do migration services, also the asset management and implementation installation services across the country. Break-fix services, we also do break-fix services with the large OEM support where we can actually work with them as a B2B partner or we can do it on our own for the endpoints, for the data center and also for the networking products. Managed services, that's our portfolio, which is the largest portfolio and which is why Dixit is known in the industry for services. We work with around 150 plus organizations where we presently have managed services, big and large, small. We do VAPT services also. We do migration services in terms of OS migration, your infrastructure migration, on-prem cloud, repatriation from cloud, all that. And also we have a DevOps practice which will help your organization if you want to do DevOps on a case-to-case basis or you want to do it on a regular basis where we can provide resources also and the tools to do this. So these are some of our service customers, the leading, some names which we have mentioned there. Being a system integrator from last 47 years, we actually take care of all your IT infra, which includes your endpoints, your data center products, your networking, cloud, cybersecurity, and services. And this is our presence across India. So we cover from Jammu to Thiruvananthapuram, Rajkot to Tripura, and even at Port Blair we have services. So any customer would like to engage with us to have on-call basis support or any other services which is related to IT, we can engage with these. Now coming to the Surface devices, all the Surface devices are AI ready. We have a booth outside where the live demo is also available for you. Now everyone was talking about cyber resilience and also zero-touch approach. Actually, when it comes to BFSI, that's the most important things where everyone is talking about. And when you look at the Surface device, it is actually integrated with AI and also cyber security. That's the security practices which are required from hardware till the cloud. Now, these are some of the Surface features which are not available in any of the laptops across brands. And when you look at all of these, actually, we will be able to show it to you whenever there is an opportunity to meet face-to-face, or we can give a POC at your organization. And these are some of the important features which you will not find anywhere in any devices. NPU and AI ready. Sustainability means it uses 100% aluminum actually, which is refurbished. Also, it is using Pixel Sense, which is for touch screen, which gives you the smooth navigation. Fantastic camera. If you would have come and see and or stall, you will feel the quality of the camera through which you can do the video conferencing. Whisper quiet, it doesn't give any sound even if you are keeping the lap or even doing anything, actually any activity. And chip to cloud security, which I was mentioning, very important for the BFSI segment itself. And productivity, higher productivity because of the 3:2 ratio, whatever size we have in terms of 12-inch, 12.5-inch, 13-inch, and 13.8-inch, all are having the same aspect ratio of 3.2. Even though this is an integrated unit, actually, all the components in the Surface devices are repairable. That's one big area. Premium battery life, full day long, that is 13 hours to 22 hours, depending on the models. And these are the two variants which we have. One is the detachable, which is known as Surface Pro, and one is the normal laptop. Both comes with Intel processors and Snapdragon processors. Now there is a very small device which is there in the center, which is sitting at, this is known as 365, Windows 365 link device. Whatever you used to have the virtual, what we call it as VDI solutions, we used to use this as a operating hardware. Now this also is a cloud-powered, fully secured PC. It also has all connectivity ports, like you can see HDMI display port, then USB-A, okay, all ports, Ethernet ports, all ports are available where you can connect your external devices onto that and also connect to the external world. And like we were talking about security, it has dedicated TPM2 secure boot BitLocker, which is very, very important feature in BFSI. And this is also having 100% paper-based packaging and also a 63% recycled. So this is also sustainable. Now when you look at the overall virtualization in terms of end-user computing, starting from your legacy, okay, so everything used to be managed by the customer. When you look at here on the left-hand side, the devices, the identity, the application, the OS, then the physical hosting, everything is managed by the customer. Okay. Then we had infrastructure as a service, okay, and the last part, which is the physical hosting, physical network, and physical data center, which has been taken over by Microsoft Azure, and that is where actually you get infrastructure as a service and where the customer has reduced their workload actually to that extent. Then comes the next era, where we're talking about PaaS and virtualized desktops, where we have also taken virtualization from Microsoft for that. And now look at the Windows 365 device, the entire activity in terms of your hardware, software, licenses, devices, all are being provided by Windows 365, a fully secured device on this. So now what happens with this device, actually you are able to collect from the end to the cloud with everything available on the cloud, but the intelligence, the security, and the connectivity is absolutely secured and simple. So this is also available for demo, but not full-fledged demo, because we don't have an internet and a lease line or through which we can connect and show you the real this. But it is available for POC. If any would like to do a POC for a VDI solution, this is available, and this will help us actually in BFSI segment where people will be requiring this. Most of the use cases is meant for the desk side workspace people who actually are going to connect and use their technology and also the performance for the cloud through security. Thank you very much. We are there at the booth. If anyone would like to come and meet us and discuss on these topics, they are all welcome. Thank you very much.